Panoramas offer an awesome way to produce highly interactive visual representation of our surroundings. Adding high dynamic range techniques adds another step closer to reality, letting us see the world the way our eyes see it.
My name is Artie, and I welcome you to join me in creating a high dynamic range panorama today. We will use a promote control for the high dynamic range part and a motorized head called Gigapan EPIC Pro for the panorama.
In our previous videos, we have demonstrated setting up promote control for the high dynamic range bracketing. This easy-to-use yet highly advanced device allows for up to 45 images in bracketing, with up to 9 EV steps between the frames with any Nikon or Canon digital SLR. In this case, we will have our promote control set up to take 4 frames with 0.7 EV steps using a Canon 5D Mark III camera. Gigapan EPIC Pro is a motorized panoramic head that allows for unparalleled flexibility and ease of use when creating panoramic image series in fully automatic mode. It also controls the camera and releases the shutter when necessary, making it very easy to create panoramic images. So where is the magic? It isn't how well these two devices work together. The Gigapan EPIC Pro head will signal the promote control to take a bracketed set and then proceed to the next angle in your panorama, completely automating both your panorama and your high dynamic range bracketing. This ensures reliable brackets and panoramic coverage, as well as saves time when taking high dynamic range panoramas. The setup process for the promote control and Gigapan EPIC Pro is very simple. After setting up your Gigapan EPIC Pro in your camera, simply connect the EPIC Pro camera port to the promote control sensor port using Gigapan camera cable for able cameras. You can also attach your promote control to the camera flash hot shoe for convenience using an optional hot shoe adapter. The EPIC Pro will then signal promote control when to start taking brackets. The only remaining part is to ask EPIC Pro to wait in every position to let promote control finish its job. This is done by going to the options menu and changing the time delay setting. We recommend setting it to 1 to 2 seconds longer than your promote control bracketing session takes. For most brackets, a delay of 6 to 7 seconds should be sufficient. Before starting your panorama, you might want to run one or more brackets through the promote control just to ensure everything is set up properly. Hit start button on the promote control and make sure your bracketing sequence is taken correctly. Once everything is set, start the panorama on Gigapan EPIC Pro and the rest is done automatically. Another useful technique is focus stacking with promote control, where your camera is focused progressively from close to far distance and takes pictures as it goes. Using this technique with a Canon camera, you can have a panorama with an extremely long depth of focus, which is often useful for landscapes. And now you can combine focus stacking with panoramas. The setup is just as easy as with high dynamic range bracketing. Set up your focus stacking on your promote control. Connect your promote control to the Gigapan EPIC Pro. Remember to specify the correct time delay in the EPIC Pro settings. Start your panorama, and don't forget to step out of the way. Okay, now you have a lot of images to process. How do you do that? The second part of our high dynamic range panorama video series will describe how to post-process those images into a beautiful panorama that you can post online.